Hey, my name is Elena Bahi. I work at Salish Kootenai College, and I'm really excited to have you all here attending our preview day at SKC. So, welcome. We have a fairly new degree. It's called Health Promotion Practices, and it's a 2+2 program. And what that means is that you get to start your program here at SKC. You go for 2 years, you get your associate's degree, and then you can transfer down to the university program in the School of Public and Community Health Sciences at the University of Montana and complete your bachelor's degree with them. So it's a really great opportunity for our students. About joining our health promotion practices cohort. Well, here at SKC we have some unique offerings. We have a 10-to-1 student to teacher ratio. So that means we can have some very direct communication. We can break concepts down a little bit more, and then we have specific HPP class offerings that I'll get into here shortly. And we have our beautiful backdrop of the Mission Mountains. Some really great career choices down the road going this track. You can potentially provide health promotion education to youth, to our elders, and in turn our community members. And you have the opportunity to work in your own communities when you graduate. So going home and working in your community, if that's something that you want. For instance, working on the reservation is really important, and having people of the community provide that information and go to school is really valuable. And in turn, you can also work at urban Indian centers if that's something you're interested in. Potential job opportunities that you have include being a health educator, a health education coordinator, even a prevention specialist, and if you like to work with youth, being a youth outreach coordinator as well. So here's kind of a snapshot of our year one. During your first quarter at fall, you're going to take the foundations of health class that we have to get a good base. You're going to be also going through human anatomy and physiology, which is really cool to understand those different parts of the body and the systems of the body. You're going to get a general education as far as introduction to psych, some English classes, and our SKC seminar. In our spring quarter, you'll get the opportunity to take our exercise prescription and health class, which is where you get to break down how do you plan out someone's exercise path. Can they do this amount of weights, or what are their goals? And getting to work with clients. We'll talk about those in that class. We also get the opportunity to take human sexuality and also talk about trauma, stress, and coping and how it interacts with our health. And then at the end of our 2 years here at SKC, you get the opportunity to participate in an internship of your choosing. And there's some great opportunities to work in tribal health departments, whether that be diabetes or suicide prevention. We've had some good placements at our Boys and Girls Club locally, and so you get to work with kids and develop possibly some age-appropriate materials there. And maybe fitness is an interest of yours, and so being on site at a fitness center and learning to work with community members on their living well journey is an opportunity that you can have during our internships. Here's kind of a snapshot of what your program is going to look like at the University of Montana. And it's going to be 2 years. It's going to be a great set of classes for you. And you get to learn more about public health and kind of what that looks like as a whole. And then lastly, here is my contact information. And if you're interested in finding out more information about health promotion practices, please go to this site here, put that in your browser, and I'd be happy to talk with you more. So enjoy preview day, and we look forward to having you as a student potentially. Take care.